Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
With that, we move on to another topic, another section, another aspect of population, which is age composition. So we looked at sex in the population. Now we'll look at age. What does age of the people help us understand the population? Now, population can be divided into different age groups of the people. According to the age groups, according to the age of the people, they can be put into different categories. Now, there are three main categories depending on the age of the people. The first one is children, or the category where people whose age is below 15 years, they are put in that category. They are called children. Okay. Now, they are called children because they are below the working age. The second category is the working age. And in that age, people between 15 to 64 years are put together. The third category is old persons category, which is above the working age category. And here, people belonging to 65 and above age groups are put in this category. Alright, so these are the three main categories depending on what age you are. Okay, depending on your age. Now, with this age, we understand two things. One is working population and the other is dependent population. Now, what is working population? Working population are people who are put together in a category and they can involve in productive work. They can work, they can produce goods and services. Okay, so obviously the people belonging to this category, working population, are the people who belong to the second age group, the age category that we just studied, right? But you also have to understand that there are certain people who do not work, who do not go to the office to work, who do not go to the factories and work as a laborer, who are not farmers. Alright, they also come under the working population, and they are students. Students can be above the age of 15, right? So they cannot be called children. They can be put together the work under the category of working population. They also belong to the working population. Similarly, housewives. Okay, these housewives also are added in the working population, but they do not produce something, but they take care of the house. They look after the family. Okay, the students can, after they study, they can also join the workforce. They can also become part of the manpower. They are part of the manpower. So all these people also are put together or included in the working population. So people who are producing goods and services directly or indirectly. Alright. The second one is the dependent population. Now, the dependent population are those people belonging to that age group which belong to the children age group and the old age group, which are below 15 years of age and 65 years of age and above. So these two groups who do not take part in the productive work, who do not produce goods and services, they belong to the dependent population because they have to depend on the others for their consumption of goods and services. Alright.